Little video before we leave the hotel. We head out to ski. Here's the current situation.
What is that? It's a headband. Well, yeah. It's a nesting on your hair.
It's an earmuff. There's Lydia.
It's not a headband. It's an earmuffs.
It goes up over your forehead. You can wear it however you want. I don't care.
What?
Gianna.
Oh, it's really sweet.
Oh, you guys have helmets on top of it.
So you should be wearing
So we got to check out after one night, because this was just a filler night to get us through to our Airbnb tonight. So we'll ski all day and then check into the Airbnb when we're done. So we got to get all of our stuff to the car.